Hi, Paul from Wild River Custom Knives in Scrimshaw. And I got a beautiful Wild River Old Reliable to show you. This one happens to be an A2 tool steel, which is one of my favorite knife steels. And this is a sheath that I designed specifically for this model knife, and it works excellent. It's got a diamond pattern or a snakeskin pattern, whatever you like to call it. Hand tooled and hand stitched, handmade sheath. Sam Brown stud here on the front. This one is an A2, as I said. This is a trailing point knife. This is really a hunter's favorite knife. I know I get a lot of requests for one of these, and this is a stabilized Buckeye burl. So we've got stabilized Buckeye burl, copper lanyard tube, carbon fiber pins. I wanted something that would just blend in there a little bit, and copper balusters. The overall length on this knife, I want to say, let's see, well, 9.25, somewhere in there. It's raining here in Alaska. We've got a 5-inch blade length on this, and of course it is razor sharp, as you'd expect. And A2 will just hold an edge forever. I mean, I get my knives really sharp. They'll push cut versus. So anyway, this one is for sale and listed on the website. Beautiful knife, beautiful knife. You can contact me through the YouTube. You can find me on Facebook at Wild River Custom Knives in Scrimshaw, and you can find me on the web at www.wildriverscrimshaw.webs.com. Anyways, thanks for checking it out and looking. As always, God bless and take care. Adios from Alaska.